Are we drowning in Copilot buttons yet? Microsoft seems to think not, as Windows 11 is introducing yet another one, this time in the Taskbar. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a helpful addition or just more clutter? Let's dive in. In the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview, hovering over an open app in the Taskbar reveals a new Share with Copilot button. This feature allows you to share the contents of your screen with Copilot Vision, Microsoft's AI-powered tool. Curious about that sculpture in your photo or the players in that celebratory dog pile? Just click the button and Copilot Vision will analyze the image, providing context, explanations, and even tutorials. It's like having a mini AI assistant right at your fingertips. And this is the part most people miss. While this sounds handy, it's hard to ignore that Copilot buttons are already everywhere. They're in Microsoft Paint, Notepad, the Taskbar, on keyboards, and even on the front of some PCs. There's even a more practical feature in the same preview that translates on-screen text. So the question is, do we really need another Copilot button, or is Microsoft overdoing it? Microsoft claims this is just an experimental feature, so it might not make it to the final release. But it raises a bigger question. Are users asking for more Copilot integration? Or is this a case of tech companies pushing features we don't necessarily want? What do you think? Is this a step forward in AI accessibility, or just unnecessary bloat? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your take on this divisive addition.